you're watching this, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to start your own business, but you didn't know how? Have you ever had an idea? You wrote it on paper. You knew exactly what you was planning out, but you yo, I don't know how I'm finna make this happen. Have you ever had a dream, and it was a crazy dream? Like mine was to create an electric car one time, and one was to create a car that ran on water, and I was drawing a car, and it was when I was in middle school, and it was a dream, and I wanted to make it happen. And that was something that I think I was fascinated with, was developing my own car. And it was so far away because I was only 13, but in my head I could achieve it. You ever had that? Because I did. And this video is going to be speaking to you, that person that has that dream or that goal, but you don't know how to make that happen. And you don't know what tools you need. You don't really need anything but yourself, because you believing in you, that's something essential. And if you don't have that, don't matter how many products you have, doesn't matter what you sell them for, what you list them for, what platform, how many ads you pay. It honestly matters about you believing in yourself, and more than anybody else can ever dictate and sway you to stop believing in yourself. I hope that makes sense. For you to be able to be successful, you can't allow your mental to depend on other people's opinion, right? My mom didn't want me to start a business. She wanted me to go to college. My family doesn't believe in owning your own business. They believe in going to work and coming home. But why did I believe in myself enough to go against everybody and start my own business and be right in front of you right now? Let me tell you why. Because when I was in middle school and I drew that card down and I was making that plan, I understood that the fact that I had that mindset to even be able to put pen to paper and draw something that wasn't even created yet, I had something special. I was a creator. And see, what I did was I ended up taking a job, doing a 9-to-5, getting fired, understanding that I was replaceable, and then gaining that mindset of, you know what, I never want to feel like somebody can take something from me ever again. Because see, when I go to work and I clock in, I'm clocking in not because I really truly care about this company. It's because I need to pay my bills. I need to live, I need to eat, right? But you dare take that away from me. You take that away from me. You would take that away from me if that person that walks in that door does the job better than me. Instead of you teaching me, you'll replace me. And that is why I tell you guys to make sure you have multiple income streams, because I will never let anybody replace me ever again. And that is where I developed the need to hustle. Not the want, the need. The need to hustle. And guys, this product box right here can help you start your business. So yes, I came up with a concept called the product box, where I put 42 wholesale electronics in one box, where you can actually go and start selling on eBay, Amazon, MERCARI, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Walmart Marketplace, TikTok Shop, wherever you want. You can start your own business just in this box, with everything in this box. This is a business in a box. And these products are not going to get your account banned. They're not going to get it taken down. These are going to help you make money. And what if I told you every product in here, including this speaker, including these headphones, including these beautiful packaged headphones, will cost you only $3.67. Now, I'm not trying to sell you. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you that these headphones, right now, these headphones and these packaging, we can get $20 for these on eBay fast. But you only paid $3.70 each, because this box costs $155. So you go to Hustlertaughtme.com, you go ahead and you purchase the product box for $155. Every product in this box costs $3.67 then. And all you do is price each product higher than $4, and you make a profit. We have people making $450 profit all the way up to $675 profit off this box. And not only that, you can also sell literally in person. I'm talking about flea markets, pop-up shops. I know around here in New Jersey, Cherry Hill Mall, they have pop-up shops where you can actually go and vend in the mall during the weekends. Why wouldn't you take advantage of that? Why wouldn't you do that? I want you to ask yourself. And I'm not talking about just these products. You can go get products anywhere you want, but why are you sitting on your butt, not putting the work and the money that you're actually going to work the slave for to work for you? The work that you put in and the money you get out of that check should be actually making you more money. It should never just be sitting there. It should never, ever be sitting in your bank account. That is one of the worst things I think we could do, is let money sit in our bank account and let the bank use our money. No, I'm going to make my money work for me every day, every second. When I invest money into something, that money is now working for me. These headphones won't ever die. Speaker won't ever go away. These are assets. Somebody was going to be on a plane, needs some headphones so they can listen to the screen in front of them. Guess who'll be right there? Hey, how you doing? My name is Brandon. I sell headphones. Would you like a pair? Yes, please. How much are they selling them on the plane? $15. Okay, I'll give them to you for $10. I only got these for $3.70. So it's all about understanding how to make your money work for you. Now, we're going to go and we're going to unpack your order 6250. And we're going to unpack this and we're going to see exactly what they get. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Hustlertaughtme. That's my business page. And my personal Instagram is educated__hustler. So let's get into the video. All right, so let's dive into the order. So number one, of course, guys, we have the speaker. Okay, so we have this speaker, and this speaker comes in most product boxes. This is a speaker that I do a full tutorial on my Instagram, Hustlertaughtme, so definitely go check that out. So it's the speaker. All right, next we have 5 generic headphones. Again, these headphones are really good because they can be sold at a cheap price, and also they're really good quality. So a lot of people tend to like these headphones. All right. Then we have the iPhone 7 headphones. Okay, you guys already know how I feel about these. So we have 2 variations of these. We have the Bluetooth ones, and then we have the ones that act just as the Apple Lightning ones. We're gonna include these ones in the package. We also have a adapter. So this one is a 87 watt power adapter. You can sell this on eBay really easy, really fast. And of course the regular cables. So USB to Lightning, 10 of these. But then you also are getting the USB-C to Lightning, 20 of those. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 20 of those. I'm gonna put these down. You're also going to be getting the battery pack. So this is going to be the MagSafe battery pack. Of course, everybody loves the battery pack. You're also going to be getting a dual USB adapter, basically. So it's the power adapter. You guys know what that is by now, but you're also going to be getting 5 of the Cube USB adapters. So these are the Cube USB adapters. So you guys know that these can fit into the USB to Lightning cable cords. Our newest product, which is packaged a bit different, but it's the USB-C adapter with the USB-C cord. It's just a bundle, but the packaging is what I really like. It's really neat. Well put together. You'll be getting 2 of those. You're also going to be getting, what's a lot? The Type-C adapter. Okay, so this one is AAA quality. Okay, and that's really, really good because that is something my distributor just got. We had AA quality for the longest. Now we got AAA. As soon as the best quantity comes, we get it. So Apple Watch charger. This is a USB Apple Watch charger. Okay. Oh, and then you have replicas. So I'm just going to take them out. So they come out like this, and you're getting 1 pair of replicas in the box as well. So that's really cool. So again, I mean, you're paying $155, and you're getting replicas as well in the box. And anything else? And I think that is all, guys. So that is what comes in this particular product box. I'm excited for you to get it. I appreciate you so much, and I hope that you sell this one, man. Don't use it, sell it, okay? Sell this one, make it get you all of your $155 back, honestly. And continue to make money work for you. So what I want you guys to know is like these products, you can list them on Amazon, eBay, Walmart Marketplace, anywhere you would like, with the exception of the AirPod replica. I would say try and sell this on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, maybe MERCARI or eBay. But you sell this makes the whole box back. So, I mean, it's really, really cool. I love being able to fulfill these orders. I also love being able to provide them for you guys because I understand how it is to be able to envision what you want to achieve and not know exactly what you need to do to get to it. But then when you have somebody actually giving you a platform to being able to prepare yourself to just getting products, that's all you really need is to get the product. Once you have the products, you know you can do what you need to do. You know you can do it once you get the products, right? And once you get the products, it's like all you got to do is put in the hard work of promoting the products and then you sell it. So it's just a good feeling, and I appreciate everybody that does support us. If you don't know, we just had a new site rebranding. So there's no more I'mHustlersMindset.com. There is only Hustlertaughtme.com, and that is the main site where you can get courses, live classes, product box, and you can get more. I have so many things there that you can take advantage of, and I hope you guys do. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see where this takes us, and we're going to keep making this money. Peace.